Hi, this is Cheryl with Curly Moose Crochets. Thanks for stopping by. It's been a while since I've been on here. I have been struggling with shoulder pain and I've been a hot mess. I haven't been able to crochet or do much of anything. I was suffering quite a bit and I'm feeling much better now. I do have an appointment with the orthopedic doctor on July 15th. So hopefully I can resolve this problem that I've been having with my shoulder for quite a few years. And maybe with my back too, because, I have pain that just roams around my body. It goes from my shoulder, my back, my hip. It's just terrible. So hopefully I will, resolve some of these issues and, do some self-care and get myself back on track. I did do some crocheting before all of this started happening to me, and I have things that I want to show that I've made and some that are not quite finished. So with that being said, I'll just jump right in and show the things that I was able to complete. So first of all, I have had this book for a long time, Whimsical Stitches. I've made a couple of things out of this book. This book is by Lauren Espy. This was a gift to me from my daughter-in-law's sister. I made the little coffee cup or the hot cocoa out of this book before. That's all I made, but now I made the turtle, and I wanted to do that, and I completed it, and I really like the way it came out. So this is the turtle, and I used cotton yarn with this pattern, which is what you should use when you're making amigurumi, I guess. It comes out better. Doing these little stitches was probably the hardest part, to get it to look straight and even and look like, the little shapes it's supposed to look like. So yeah, it came out cute. I had a little turtle. Remember that song? His name was Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. I made this and I like it. Okay, so then after that, or before that maybe, I made a lovey for a project for hooking up with books with Craftably Ever After and Caroline for the Love of Crochet. And I just used yarn that I had, and I wanted it to be pink, and I made it with velvet yarn. I don't know why I did that. Not a good idea to make a lovey with velvet yarn, although it's nice and soft. It doesn't hold up well, and of course, a little child dragging it around is gonna get it all messed up real fast. So the face part is cute. See? That part came out really cute. But the rest of it, because my granddaughter, she was playing with it and everything. So look at this mess. So bad. Really bad. There's lots of holes in it as usual. Look at the hole on the top. And I gave this to my granddaughter to play with. What a mess. This is a big fail, guys. Although it's very cute and the pattern is cute and easy to follow. I'll link. It's a paid for pattern. I'll put a link in the description. Next time I'll definitely make it with a more durable, washable yarn. For the eyes, I did also, for a lovey, you probably shouldn't use these kind of eyes. You should sew the eyes for safety reasons. I did do the method where you put the eye together and then burn it, the post part, and then, I pushed it and squished it down so it would be more secure. But yeah, this was, oh, it came out so bad. And so, yeah, so that's one good thing. The turtle looks good and came out good. The Lovey, the face is cute. It has holes. It has so many problems. But yeah, it was fun to make. So next I wanted to make something from the, sorry, hold on. The Mabel Bunny, Mabel Bunny and Company. I wanted to make the dog so bad in this. I just used yarn that I had, you know, big twist yarn. I think I used, I had some skeins left over from that patchwork quilt that I made. So I just used that. And, you know, of course, there's problems. It's cute and everything, but, you know, it's not, it should be so much better than, but this is the pattern. Isn't it so cute with its little tubby tummy and its long legs? So cute. So I'll show you mine, how it came out. Okay, so I should have used a smaller hook and I didn't. And so it has holes, which is typical for me. But this is mine, how it came out. The curly ears is what gets me. That was so cute. And the bobble stitches that you put for the paws are so cute. Look. I thought that was the cutest thing. And the tail. So, you know, it has some, you know, gaps because of the yarn, not because of the yarn. It's not the yarn's fault. It's the person using the yarn. So yeah, I should have used a smaller hook and then maybe I wouldn't have these holes. But it's very squishy and cute. And, you know, I tried to shape it so it would have the little poochy belly. It sort of has it. So cute. Very cute. So I completed that. And then what else? So I also, oh no, Archie. Hold on. You need to be quiet. Okay, go away. That's Archer. These dogs drove me crazy last night with the fireworks. Oh my goodness. Ugh. What did you all do for the 4th of July? I sat here with dogs that were scared out of their brains. I didn't get a lot of sleep. It didn't all stop until well after, oh, sorry, excuse me, well after midnight. So, you know, this dog and the other dog are just sitting by the side of my bed looking at me and panting. So I kept waking up. Okay, so where was I? Let's see. Okay, sorry. The other book that I've had this book for a while. This is Crochet Cute Critters. And I think I got this book because, is this the one? I wanted to make the giraffe, which I never did. I haven't done it yet. But I decided to make the elephant in here. And I have a whole bunch of blanket yarn. So I used blanket yarn to make it. And, you know, I followed this pattern. So it came out kind of big, but it's cute. And it doesn't have its arms or its legs yet because that's when my shoulder flared up and I couldn't do it. And so I have a armless, legless elephant, kind of like that dinosaur right there, that blue dinosaur back there. I never finished it. It doesn't have its legs or arms or a tail. Neither does this one. Here's the elephant that I made. Its head is wobbly, but not too terrible. And it's pretty big. but it's cute. It reminds me of Archer. This was really easy to make, and you know, crocheting with this blanket yarn, it's really easy and fun, and it comes out very soft, and it's soft and squishy and cute. I just have to finish it. So I need to finish that. And what else? I started to make a little bucket hat for my granddaughter. My daughter-in-law said, "Oh, have you seen the crocheted bucket hats that look like a mushroom hat?" I'm like, okay. So I tried that, and I think it came out okay. I didn't really follow a pattern for this. I just kind of winged it, but here it is. Here's the little bucket hat. I have it on top of this skein of super duper bulky yarn that I bought that I don't know what to make with, but I just set it on here. But it looks like a toadstool, doesn't it? Isn't it cute? I was trying to think, some of the ones that I've seen, they put the white around the bottom. I don't know if I should do that. I don't really want to do it. I want to be done with this. I think it might need more spots, like maybe one more right here. And then I was trying to decide if I should put them on the brim, because I've seen some that have it on the brim, but I don't think I will, because I'm thinking it might make it flop funny, you know, in her face maybe. But this is super cute. I hope they like it. So I did that, and that's pretty much all that I have been able to get done. I still have my daughter's sweater that I'm working on. I started making myself this top, and all I have is this much finished. This is a pattern I bought from, what is it? On the Hook. Janine at On the Hook Crochet. This is, yeah. That's all I've gotten done. Super easy, simple. It's just, you know, treble crochets, double crochets, or half double. I forgot what I was doing. One thing about her patterns, when you print them off, she has a place for you to, you know, write in your stitch count, you know, like, because she doesn't sell it like by size. She has you measure, so you measure yourself, and then you figure out how many stitches you're going to need, and then you write it down, and she has a little space for you to write down what size hook you're using and your yarn. So the notes are there for that one. For my daughter's sweater I was working on, and then I put it aside. I didn't make any notes, you know, what I was doing, where I left off. And so when I picked it back up again, I'm like, what? Where am I? What was I doing? So you should take notes. But this is the sweater. I showed this already before. I haven't. I got this much more done. That's it. So that's about it. I was going to show you this bag too. I was mentioned on a YouTube channel called, what is it? Hold on. Oh yeah, Scraptastic Yarns from, I forgot her name. She's a real sweet lady, but she mentioned me. She does call outs on her channel once a month, or she called me out, which I thought was really sweet. But I love her bags. She makes bags and sells them on Etsy, and so I had to buy one. I fell into it really easy. I bought this one, and I bought another one that had VW buses all over it, and it, you know, it's real summery and cute, and I love it. And my daughter swiped it from me. Of course. No, I knew she'd like it, and so as soon as she saw it, she's like, "Oh, it's so cute," and I'm like, "Oh, I got it for you," and I gave it to her. before I had a chance to show it. But she really does a nice job. The inside is, on the outside it's the flags, and then on the inside she has this really cute stars, and there's a pocket and a nice strap. So it's really cute. I want to try to make some bags and do some sewing, but you know, I bought a brand new sewing machine. It's right there, just sitting there. I haven't used it, only to do some mending, but it's a, what is it? It's a Brother, and it has the embroidery, you know, you could do embroidery with it. I haven't even tried it yet. I've had the sewing machine for probably a couple of months already. And yeah, haven't done anything with it. Anyway, I hope everybody had a nice holiday for the 4th of July. We stayed home, and my kids and their spouses and the grandkids all came over, and we barbecued. And then we just did little poppers and stuff with the grandkids because they're too little, and it, you know, they went home before it even got dark because they have to, you know, go home and go to bed. And then after that, all I did was, you know, babysit my dogs because they were in panic mode because of the fireworks. So that's what I did. What did you do? Hope you had fun. I had fun on Sunday before Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. That's funny. Oh gosh. Before the 4th, we went to the beach to go kayaking at this place where you can rent kayaks at Newport Beach in the harbor near Balboa Island. And, you know, we went there and barbecued and, you know, played with the kids a little bit in the water and went kayaking. I didn't do a lot of kayaking because of my shoulder, but it was really nice to be out. And amazingly enough, we didn't hit any traffic going or coming back, which was completely amazing. So, you know, that beach was an hour drive for me from where I live. And so, you know, a lot of times we get stuck in traffic going back and forth, but this time we didn't. So that was really wonderful. That's about it. I don't have anything else. I am so thankful that you stopped by, and I hope you like my channel. If you do, please like, and if you would like to subscribe, that would be so nice too. Have a great, wonderful day, and God bless everyone. Bye. Hey, Grandpa, I need nubs. Say nubs. 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 Say it. Say it. Say nubs.